Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be installing these and also doing a quick review. So I got these things from AliExpress. So what are they? These are some things you can use to dress up your AC vent. They come in different colors, as you can see in the upper left hand corner. They come in red, green, blue, the silver, and I think there's a couple of other colors. They come in different lengths too, so you can also do your front grille, you could do your doors, things like that. I just got these for the vents, and the reason why I got these for the vents, if you can see here, so I got a 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback, and if you notice that it's got a trim coming across here, it's nice and silver here, but when it comes down to the vent, it is like black, but yet this turn thing here is kind of, it's got some style with some silver to it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to show you how to install these things. There's nothing really difficult at all to install these things. You just measure the length that you want, and you just install it. It's just something that you can just slip right on. It's nothing difficult, and you know, if you really want these installed, you can just go ahead and install these yourself. You don't need any special tools. They come in like a longer length like this, or a little longer than this. This is one that I've already cut. And so what I discovered is to get these easily to get installed, first you cut your length and you can just split it open. I'm trying to do this with one hand here. You can split it open with your finger or use the scissors that you use to cut this thing. And what I try to do is I got the cut edge here. It's not as nice as the other end. So you just find one length, one edge, and you just kind of press it on after. It's easier once you split it open to get this on, and just push it on like so, and there you go. That's one side here. One disadvantage is once you install this on this thing, on the slider itself, it's going to be locked into place. One thing is I hardly use the AC, so it's not that particular for me to have it in a certain direction. I usually use the AC during the, well, I don't even use the AC, I only use the heater basically during the winter. So this is going to work for me. If you want it to be adjustable, you would have to cut it at a shorter length, and what's going to happen is you're going to have a kind of a gap. So doing the same thing here, just shoving this on like so, pushing it, this thing, oh, the edge here got kind of curled. Let me just do this on one take, guys, so you know you can actually see the difficulty, if there is any difficulty installing these things, so you can judge for yourself how easy or difficult it is to install. But then again, I'm using one hand too, so it might make it a little harder, which now it seems like it's giving me some trouble here. But let's see what we can do. Okay, here we go. Okay, so there we go. Adjust this a little bit more here. Oops, a little too much. Okay, there you have it. It's a little short. I may have to recut this, but kind of like the, okay. So I wanted to have a little bit of adjustability because I do push this to the mirror. So kind of adjust this here. Okay, so there you go. Now it looks good. Also did the center vent here. This one is a little short. Probably will redo this so it looks a little better, and the far end down there. So there you have it, guys. This is kind of an interesting thing that you guys might want to pick up if you want to dress up your AC vents. And if you like this video, like and subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know. Thank you.